Hey guys, this is Rob with AMZ Advisors, and I just wanted to share a quick update on this new Slack application that we're using called Chaser. And so this is basically an application that turns messages into tasks for people, and it sends automatic reminders and follow-ups about the specific task that is assigned. Um, so the reason we want to use this is obviously we have a lot of clients, and so we have even more content tasks that we're sending over, and things can get a little crazy when we have, um, dozens of tasks flying around and sent over to clients on who's reviewed what and sending reminders to people. So this app will automatically send reminders, and it will also tell us when you've actually completed the review and the task. So whenever we have content that is ready for you guys to review, one of the content strategists will send over a message like this that will tag whoever we need to review it, tell you what type of content it is, and then give you the link to the content and markup. And then we want to, get your feedback within 48 hours. I mean, ideally faster. If you can do it quickly, then that just helps everything move along quicker. The faster you give us your feedback, the faster we can get the revisions done and keep moving with the rest of the strategies. So the way this works is we'll send this message, and then really all you have to do is click this drop down to acknowledge it first. If you don't acknowledge it within 24 hours, you'll get automatic reminders to acknowledge it, and then you can go ahead and open up the markup link. Whenever you get a chance, review all of the content, leave all of your feedback and comments inside of the markup link, and then when you're finished with the actual comments and all of the feedback, then what you can do is you can come back and complete this task. So once you've done that, that will let us know that we can go into markup and we can collect the feedback and we can figure out how to do any of the rework that you guys are requesting for any of these tasks. So I'm gonna reopen this for a second. And the other thing that I want to show you is, a lot of the times we'll send a couple different pieces of content and maybe you missed it and you're looking back in the channel and you're like, where was this message? I can't find it. Under your apps on Slack, you should have one called Chaser. And if you click on that one, it will give you all of the tasks or messages that have turned into tasks right in this history here. So if there's multiple, you can come through and you can find it pretty quickly by going through this app button, and then again from here you can either complete it or acknowledge it if you haven't acknowledged it yet. And yeah, once you've completed the task, that will let us know that we can go ahead and start looking at the feedback, maybe schedule a meeting to review it if it's necessary. And throughout the time from when we send this message until the task is actually completed, you'll get reminders from us about this task to review it, review the content, and then ultimately complete the task so that we could keep moving forward with the rest of the strategies. So I just wanted to show you real quick. Once you complete it, it goes away, and that's pretty much it. So let us know if you guys have any other questions about this, and keep an eye out for this when we send over more content tasks for you. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.